Okay, what's up, motherfuckers? So clear things off. My name's Ben from New Zealand, and I fucking love me some movies. Now, the Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, I think it's called. The trailer just came out. Make me some kick-ass chicken and watch the trailer. And also, there's a big fucking Marvel movie apparently coming out. Motherfucker! Okay, so Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom stars Chris Pratt, as well as Bryce Dallas Howard, and is directed by Colin Trevor. It's the sequel to the first one, which did a lot better at the box office than most people think, so we got a new one. The trailer you're watching now, it's got a lot more dinosaurs than I thought there was going to be. I thought it was just going to be Chris Pratt running around the jungle and just kind of bitch-slapping dinosaurs. The trailer's got like quite a few million views in the last few days it's been open, but it kind of just looks like Dante's Peak had sex with Jurassic World or Jurassic Park, Jurassic whatever, and it looks just like a game of Temple Run mixed with dinosaurs and Dante's Peak. But Chris Pratt, who's just been in the Passengers movie with Jennifer Lawrence and a few other things since he got his start in Guardians of the Galaxy, is doing super, super well. So he can make volcanoes, dinosaurs, rolling testicles look really, really cool. If anyone can, it's him. And Bryce Dallas Howard, even though she's not Jessica Chastain, is amazing. So Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom is coming out next year, and it's probably going to make over 700 million, so good for them. Okay, burrito. So look now. Now it is time, motherfucker. Avengers Infinity War official trailer.
There was an idea to bring together a group of remarkable people.
Alright, Doctor Strange.
We could become something more.
Ooh, Vision with makeup. Very interesting.
We could fight the battles that they never could.
Blockbuster armor. Go on Black Widow. The classic score from the first movie. That logo makes the dollar.
You will know what it's like to lose. To feel so desperately that you're
Spider-Man! Tom Holland.
all the same. Dreaded.
Okay. So we got Loki's back with the Tesseract. And here he is, the man himself, Thanos. Ivan who's on steroids. We got Iron Spider. Oh, we got LEDs in the fucking little eyes. Get this man a shield. Oh, he Cap with the beard. I'm trying to pull off the look. Okay, Hulkbuster got a lot more silver. Blonde Black Widow looking awesome. Doctor Strange with the shields up. Scientist landed. Captain America kicking ass. Black Panther scratching someone. Spider-Man just got his ass kicked by Thanos. Tony Stark's looking at Vision getting his ass kicked. Infinity Stone to the gauntlet. There's two now. Oh,
the right hook and he's down. Aldo's out. I mean, Iron Man. Okay, Wakanda, Falcon. All right, represent. The Hulk, War Machine. Wow.
Where the hell are you guys?
You guys to the motherfucking galaxy, bitch! Whoa, okay. So I'll play it back. That was fucking intense. That was... I mean, I think I was 10. I was 10 when I was at Universal Studios in LA for the first time, and I watched Iron Man with my mum. And I was like, I knew who Iron Man was and stuff, but I never ever thought it would get to the point where you see like Black Panther, Spider-Man, Guardians of the Galaxy. You know, people don't even know really who they were before James Gunn came and made the first one in 2014. Alright, so now... Alright, so now I'm going to see Star Wars on Thursday. I've seen this trailer probably about 8 times. But they've done all the like press kits and stuff like that for it. I've been watching everyone on the red carpet, looking lovely. So I'm just going to have it one more time and then we're going to see it on Thursday. Kylo Ren looking out. I don't know if they're AT-ATs, but Rian Johnson, the way that he uses stuff to like contrast with the color red is super freaking cool. Like the way that he uses like red and black, and then it cuts into like this blue. You really get a sense of like setting who's on the light side, who's on the dark side. So Ray and Luke are doing the whole Karate Kid thing. He's teaching the whole wax off, wax on. Pretty sure she can fly. He's seen something before. I don't know if it's... Because Luke doesn't seem too interested in helping her out. What's this shit in Kylo Ren's face? Is it like this weird black tape? Decent pilot though. Kid can fly. Carrie Fisher, rest in peace. They're trying to play it off like he kills her. And if I didn't know that she'd passed away, I wouldn't believe it, because it seems a bit too obvious. Chewbacca. So I think that is, but I think... I don't know. I think if she was still alive, she wouldn't die. John Boyega and Captain Phasma. She's got more screen time in this trailer than she does in that episode 7. Okay, there's foxes. Okay, so we've got Man of Steel opening with Round of Water. John Boyega's back with the Stormtroopers. This is what I'm talking about. The white and black, the white and red, sorry, as well. It's such a contrast and it makes it look wicked.
I need someone to show me my place in all this.
And then he doesn't have the, maybe it's a plaster, I don't know. I've been thinking about that for ages. Like, what's that thing on Kylo Ren's face? Is it a plaster or something? Because he doesn't have any more, but Star Wars is back again. And apparently it's a lot better than episode 7. I didn't like episode 7 at all. I just thought it was A New Hope, which is my favourite Star Wars. Seems a lot more, not colourful, but the way that, like I was saying, the way that he uses things to go with red. You know, the white snow and like the black of Kylo Ren's armour, his helmet, where he stays. It's really, really cool. Rian Johnson is an absolute beast. He directed that Brick with Joseph Gordon-Levitt. That movie has probably more shots in it than any kind of other movie I've ever seen. So it's going to be Star Wars, but I think this is the potential to possibly outdo Rogue One, because that was really good. Yeah. A couple more days and we'll see Star Wars.
Motherfucker!